You know that feeling, don't you? That incessant activity behind your eyes. You walk into a room and you don't just see people. You see the dynamics, the insecurities, the unspoken histories. You hear a piece of news, and your mind doesn't stop at the headline. It dives into the implications, the causes, the patterns. Your friends tell you that you think too much. They say just relax, let it go. To you, that feels impossible. How can one let go of the act of seeing? For a long time, you've been led to believe this is your greatest strength. You were told that being a deep thinker is a virtue, a sign of superior intelligence, of consciousness. You take pride in it. You identify with it. But I want to suggest something to you today, something that may feel radical. What if this variability, this mental engine that never shuts off, is not your greatest strength? What if it is, in fact, your greatest obstacle? I want to propose to you that this quality you see as a gift is, in fact, a hidden danger. Not a danger in the worldly sense, not a threat to your physical survival. I speak of a danger far more subtle, and yet, far more devastating. A danger to your peace, a danger to your joy, a danger to your ability to simply live your life, instead of just thinking about it. It's the danger of becoming so completely lost in the labyrinth of your own mind that you can no longer find the exit door into reality, into the only place where life ever actually happens, the present moment. Watch the people around you, watch the game they play. They live at a level of consciousness that is almost entirely form-based. They are concerned with what others think, with what they will acquire next, with what happened yesterday and what they fear will happen tomorrow. They are playing the game of ego. They react instantly to any small slight, any inconvenience. Their mind is constantly chattering, but it's a chatter they don't even recognize. It's like background noise they have accepted as life. They talk about the weather, about politics, about what they saw on television. It is a dance of forms. And then, there is you, the deep thinker. You see through this, or so you believe. You see the shallowness of the game. You see the insecurity behind that colleague's arrogance. You see the fear behind your family member's anger. You see the futility of it all. And you retreat to the one place you feel safe, your mind. You analyze the game. You judge the game. You create complex theories about why the game is played this way. But here is the irony. You are not really there. You are not present with those people. Your body is in the room, perhaps nodding, but your consciousness is miles away, in a mental courtroom, dissecting, evaluating, categorizing. You are not participating in life, you are commentating on it. You have become a spectator to your own existence. And this is where the dangers begin to take form. The first danger is this: your thinking becomes a barrier to connection. You long for deep connection, but your own mind prevents it. You are in a conversation, but you are not truly listening. You are hearing the first few seconds, and then your mind is off, formulating your reply, analyzing what was said, connecting it to a theory you read, judging whether what the other person said was intelligent or foolish. And the other person, even unconsciously, feels this. They feel they are not being heard. They feel your absence. You feel alone, isolated, misunderstood. Nobody understands me, your thought says. Nobody sees the world with the depth that I do. And this very thought, this identity of I, the deep, misunderstood thinker, becomes another brick in your prison. Your mind creates the story of your loneliness, and then you live inside that story, never realizing that it is the mind itself that is building it, brick by brick. And this leads to the second danger, which is even more insidious. Your mind, being such a powerful analytical tool, becomes an architect of your own unhappiness. The compulsive mind, the ego, loves problems. A problem gives it something to do, something to chew on. It gives it a sense of identity. And if there is no real problem in the present moment, the deep thinker will create one. Your mind will travel to the past. It will dig up a mistake you made 10 years ago, and it will play it on a loop, analyzing what you should have done, what you could have said. Or, it will leap into the future, creating catastrophic what-if scenarios. What if I lose my job? What if I get sick? What if that person leaves me? You are not living life. You are living a mental simulation of disaster. This is the activity of what I call the pain body. Your mind, with its deep thinking, becomes the pain body's favorite tool to feed itself. You think you are being diligent, that you are preparing or learning from your mistakes, but what you are really doing is feeding your own pain. You are creating psychological suffering where none needed to exist. A dog does not sit and ponder the mistake it made last week. A tree does not worry if it will have enough water next summer. They exist in complete acceptance of the now. But the deep thinker ... The deep thinker is too busy analyzing the rain to actually feel the drops on their skin. This brings us to the third danger, perhaps the most tragic of all, the total loss of the now. Life is not a concept. Life is not a theory. Life is not what happened yesterday or what might happen tomorrow. Life is this, now. It is the feeling of the air entering your lungs. It is the silence between my thoughts. It is the light hitting the wall in front of you. It is the feeling of the warm coffee cup in your hands. This is all there is. It is the eternal field upon which all existence unfolds. But where is the deep thinker? He is not here. He is lost. He is thinking about life. He is trying to figure life out. He is trying to find a purpose, a meaning, a solution. His mind has become so noisy, so full of analysis and commentary, that it has drowned out the very life it was seeking to understand. You can spend an entire day in nature, but not see a single tree. You are too busy thinking about the state of the planet, about the biology of photosynthesis, about how nice it would be to live here. You think about the tree, but you miss the presence of the tree. You look at your partner, but you do not see them. You see your mental projection of them, the list of past grievances, your expectations for their future. And ironically, you may even begin to resent simple people, the people who don't think so much. You see them laughing, enjoying simple things, and a part of you despises them for their shallowness, while another part desperately longs for the peace they seem to have. Finally, we come to the fourth and final danger, the ultimate trap. Your deep thinking becomes your identity. It ceases to be something you do, it becomes something you are. I am a thinker. I am intelligent. I am complex. I am spiritually aware. This is the ego at its most refined. It is the spiritual ego, and because this is your identity, you must defend it at all costs. When someone challenges one of your deeply thought-out beliefs, they are not just challenging an idea. They are threatening your very sense of I. This is why arguments become so heated, so defensive. This is why you have such a need to be right. Your intelligence, your gift, has become your gilded cage. You are trapped inside your own mind. So, what is to be done? Is there hope? Are we doomed to this noise? Must we try to stop thinking? Must we try to become stupid to be happy? No, of course not. Trying to stop thinking is just another thought. It is more ego gaming. The mind is a magnificent tool. It has built cities, written symphonies, taken us to the moon. The danger was never the act of thinking. The danger was, and always will be, the identification with thought. You have made a simple mistake. You have mistaken the tool for who you are. You are not your mind. You are the consciousness behind the mind. You are the space in which the thoughts happen. Think of it this way. Your mind is like the weather. Your thoughts are like the clouds. Some clouds are light and beautiful. Others are dark and stormy. You have spent your entire life believing you were the cloud. When a dark cloud appeared, a thought of anxiety, of sadness, you thought, I am anxious, I am sad. You identified with it. But you are not the cloud. You are the sky. You are the vast, silent, unchanging blue sky behind all the clouds. The sky does not mind the clouds. It doesn't try to grasp the beautiful clouds. It doesn't try to push away the dark clouds. It simply allows them to be, knowing that they are temporary, that they are not the sky. The moment you realize this, not just as an intellectual concept, more thinking, but as a felt experience, everything changes. The deep thinker does not disappear, but it takes its rightful place. It ceases to be your master and becomes your servant. You can pick up the tool of thought when you need it. You can plan your grocery trip, analyze a work problem, create a piece of art, but then, and this is the crucial bit, you put down the tool. You return to silence, to stillness, to presence. You begin to notice the little things. The sound of your breath, the space between words, the life vibrating in everything. You begin to truly listen to people, because your mind is no longer shouting over them. And the most beautiful thing of all ... thought, when it arises from that place of stillness, becomes so much more powerful. It becomes intuitive, creative, no longer contaminated by the ego's fear and need. True intelligence is not compulsive thinking, it is the stillness of presence. You are not broken. Your mind is not your enemy. You were just using it backward. You were trying to drink from the cup upside down. Your job is not to stop thinking. Your job is to stop getting lost in thought. Your job is to remember who you are. The silent awareness, the vast sky. Your job is to be here, now. This is the journey of consciousness. And it's a journey that does not have to be a lonely one. If this message resonated with you, if you felt a glimpse of peace or a moment of recognition as you listened, I want to know. What is the one thought you identify with the most? What is the dark cloud that follows you the most? Is it the I'm not good enough cloud? The what if something goes wrong cloud? Leave your comment below. Sharing it is the first step to creating space around that thought. And if you want to learn more about how to practice this disidentification, how to find the silence behind the noise and truly live in the now, please click that like button so this message can reach more people who are lost in their own mental maze. And of course, subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell so we can continue to awaken together, one moment at a time. Thank you for being present.